Okay, friends, so we're on chapter 5 of the Toothpaste Millionaire by Jean Merrill. So here we go. It's entitled Another Nice Thing About Rufus. I forgot to mention another nice thing about Rufus. The afternoon Rufus let me sample his first batch of toothpaste. He was trying to figure out how many tubes of toothpaste it would make. We looked at a medium-sized tube of toothpaste. You must have enough for 10 tubes in that plastic bowl, I guessed. More, I bet, Rufus said. Why don't you squeeze the toothpaste in the tube into a measuring cup and then measure the stuff in the bowl? I suggested. That would be a waste of toothpaste, Rufus said. We couldn't get it back in the tube. Rufus hates to waste anything. I have a better idea, he said. I'll pack into a square pan the toothpaste I made. Then I can figure out how many cubic inches of toothpaste we can have. So we're talking about volume there. And you can figure out how many cubic inches of toothpaste are in a tube. But the tube is round, Rufus, I said. I can't measure cubic inches unless something is cubic shaped. Rufus thought a minute. Maybe we can squeeze the tube into a cube shape, he said. I thought that was brilliant, but then I had another idea. Rufus, I said, it says on the tube that it contains 3¼ ounces of toothpaste. Why couldn't we just weigh your paste and divide it by 3¼ to see how many tubes it would take? 3¼ is 3¼ or 3/25. Hey, we could, Rufus said. You are smart, Kate. I'm always doing things the hard way. That's what is really so nice about Rufus. It's not just that he gets great ideas like making toothpaste, but if you have a good idea, he says so. I was pleased that I had thought of a simpler way of measuring the toothpaste, but I told Rufus I wish I was smart enough even to think of a hard way of doing something. I never would have thought of measuring toothpaste in cubic inches, partly because I never can remember exactly how to figure cubic inches. And I really wouldn't have thought of making a round tubes cube-shaped, would you? Anyway, it turned out Rufus had made about 40 tubes of toothpaste for 79 cents. So my challenge to you is, how much total is he going to profit, meaning how much money is he going to make from 40 tubes of toothpaste for 79 cents?